I Am Brown, written by Ashok Banker. I am brown. I am beautiful. I am perfect. I am love. I am friendship. I am happiness. I am a doctor, a lawyer, a scientist, an actor, an electrician, a writer, an astronaut, an athlete, a singer, a president, a prime minister. I make art. I code computers. I design rocket ships. I build houses. I study germs. I solve crimes. I pilot ships. I help people. I come from North America, South America, Africa, Oceania, Europe, Asia, all over the world. I speak Marathi, Arabic, Chinese, Russian, Swahili, Indonesian, Spanish, Japanese, French, German, English, Tamil, Turkish, Urdu, Punjabi, Hindi, Portuguese, Telugu, Bengali. Those are all different languages. I have a mustache, a beard, no mustache, no beard, short hair, long hair, black hair, brown hair, no hair, black eyes, brown eyes, green eyes. I live in a mansion, a cottage, a house, an apartment, a riverboat, a cabin, a bungalow, a hut. I like to jog, sing, travel, read, write, dance, collect, swim, paint. I eat noodles, samosa, vindaloo, tacos, biryani, barbecue, steak, fattoush, tagliatelle, and jalmuri. I wear a shirt and a jacket, a blouse and sari, a shirt and a lungi, a top and a skirt, a salwar and a kameez, a kurta and a dhoti, a lehenga, a business suit, a prom dress, a wedding gown. I am your roommate, your classmate, your friend, your partner, your boss, your teacher, your driver, your guru. I pray at a temple, a church, a mosque, a synagogue, a gurdwara, a dargah, a shrine, nowhere, everywhere. I drew that picture. I made this car. I built this building. I run this company. I designed that computer. I ran this race. I won this prize. I wrote this book. I am brown. I am amazing. I am you. And that is the end of the book. I hope you enjoyed it.